Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey, and today we are going to be continuing with Block 6 of the 2025 Designer Mystery Block of the Month by Fat Quarter Shop. This month's block is Silver Lining. It looks kind of fun. I've never done a block like that before. The guest designer is Heather Briggs. These are the fabrics we're going to be using. So let me get this cut out and I will be back. Okay, I have everything cut out. This is also going to be folded corners, but I'm just going to use my sew line tape. I'm not going to mark it. These have been marked for 4 at a time flying geese and cut out to those sizes. This is for the folded corner method for flying geese, and that is what the pattern uses. These all will be one block. Here's the center. So let's get over to the sewing machine. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take K and I, and we are going to do the folded corners. Just going to line that up, and then I'm going to use the sew line tape to go from corner to corner. And you want your corner to cover that, and then you can trim this off and then press it, and then I'll be back. Okay, now we're going to take H and I'm going to put it alongside here. You want it to be along with the other dark fabric on the same side. So I'm just going to finish with one block, then I'll finish the others offline, and then I'll come back after that. Okay, now we're going to press this open, and then we're going to add G. Now we're going to take B. We're going to put it face down in this corner, so you want to double check so you've got right sides together, and we're going to sew from corner to corner. Flip that up, and we'll press that and trim part of that off and leave in a 1/4 inch seam. Okay. Now we're going to take D, and again be careful with your, make sure the right side's together. So again we're going to do the same thing we did with the dark. We're going to put it on the side with, so that it matches this corner here. And then we're going to add C. Okay, now we have one unit done. So let me get the other 3 made, and I will be back. Okay, I have all 4 of those units made and pressed. So I'm going to set those aside. And the pattern has you make flying geese with the folded corner method. I'm gonna make one for you. This one I've marked. You can iron it, you can mark it, you can use the sew line, whatever method you choose. Put it in a corner and just sew from corner to corner. Okay, now we're going to iron that open, press it open, and then trim. Okay, we've got that one done. It's all trimmed. Now you can put the other one so that this corner goes with the other corner, so you're making a V. Press that back and trim it. Okay, I finished that one and the other three, so we've got these 4 flying geese done. And now I will show you how to do the 4 at a time. What you need is 1 large square and 4 small squares. And you can go on Pinterest and find charts of how big you need for different sizes. I want to put those in the corner. The lines going this way. And I'm going to sew on both of those lines. Then I will cut in between. And then we will press them open. Okay, we've got these squared hearts. I'm going to put this here, this one here, and do the same thing. Sew on the lines, cut and press. Okay, now when we press that open, we will have our 4 flying geese. Okay, now that we've got our flying geese put together, pressed and trimmed, we are going to put them together like this so they can make kind of an arrow. So brown meets brown. Okay, those are pressed, and now we can start putting our block together. It's going to go like this. These will go point down towards the middle. And then we've got the white that goes towards the outside corner, the green to the inside corner. So we've got our sawtooth star and our little flower, and it's surrounded. So we're just going to sew this like we always do the 9 patch. Okay, this row will, the top and the bottom row will be pressed to the outside. The middle will be pressed towards the center square. Okay, there's our block. I just need to press it, and now we can put it in our settings that we did a while ago at the beginning. Okay, we can get out our settings that we made. This is number 6. These are the 2 short ends. We're going to put those on first. And the white corners go on the outside. So we're going to sew those on and then press it open. Okay, now that we've got that on, we can put on the top and bottom. And we will do the same thing. Just sew it down, press it open. Okay, here is our block in its setting. Now I will get blocks 4 and 5, and we can attach those, and then I will be back. Okay, block 6 is done, and it's all put together with the other rows, with row 4, blocks 4 and 5, and then I sewed it to 1, 2, and 3, so the half of the top is done. So just another 6 months to go. But I want to thank you for joining me and for staying with me this long. And I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.